Hello everybody, it's Ollie here from Omnitub. I wanted to make another video for you guys. We haven't done it for a little while, purely because we've been super busy. And when we do videos and we talk about the jet Whirlpool systems and the jet spas that we offer, we often show like fully stacked tubs all of the time with like touch controls, lots of lights, jet fills and things like that. And a lot of our customers don't want that kind of system in their bathroom. They want a different kind of system. They might want an entry-level system or a smaller system. So this particular video is specifically going to be about smaller installed tubs and what happens if you decide that you just want to have some jet whirlpools and you don't want to have the jet spas and you don't want to have all of the other different bits and pieces. So right here I have got 4 tubs, which we can see. It's quite cool actually because they're all different tubs and they've all got different patterns in them. And we've got some 12s and some 18 jet Whirlpool systems that we've created, and none of them are using touch controls either. So I try and keep this brief. I know I do have a bit of a waffling mentality on some of the other videos, so I will try and make it as brief as I can but as informative as I can as well at the same time. I'm going to go through each one and we're going to talk about them and then we're going to wrap up. But any questions you ever get, hit me on WhatsApp, hit me on Instagram, Facebook, give us a call over 934 751 200. First tub, solo. Second tub, duo. Third tub, solo extra. Fourth tub, solo ultra. So quite nice to have the range, okay? The first tub we're going to look at here is the solo, the smallest tub that we manufacture here in Somerset. Handmade, 1050 long, 750 on the wide, on the width. And we've got ourselves here a 12 jet Whirlpool system. So as you can see, it doesn't matter if it's a 12 jet Whirlpool system or a big 24 or 48 jet system, the jets are all completely flush. So there's no protrusion on any of the jets, you're not going to have jets in your back, it's not going to be awkward. In terms of the controls, they're pneumatic controls. So you simply would push this button to turn it on and twist this one here to adjust the airflow. So if you don't want it intensive, you can turn it down. If you want it to be a harder hitting one, you can turn it up. It doesn't adjust the power of the pump, but what it does do is it adjusts the airflow, giving a stronger or a lighter impulse onto the body. And this particular tub has got 6 on the back, 2 either side, as designed by the customer. Suction pump in the middle on this particular tub looks very clean. And this tub is going to be pointed in a position where we have got 3 sides against a wall, 1 accessible side. The accessible side is going to be where I'm stood right here. And if you then visualize the tub, these 3 sides will be enclosed. And this one here is accessible. So the customer is going to have themselves a nice little flange area across the front, perhaps with a step going up or a full whip step to get into the tub, giving access to the pump and the controls. That's super important all the time. Always for best practice to be able to have that. No overflow on the tub. The customer wants to soak 600 deep. Really good. And overall, it's a solid system. It's going to have the same power input that you require, 13 amp fuse spur, which will go into the wall. Connect the waste, the fill option is going to come from the wall, and the tub isn't then complete. It's simply just that, okay? So that's really nice, and I really do like what we've got there. The next tub I've got here is an 18 jet duo, which is a nice system. We've got 8 on the back, because that's where the customer's going to be sitting. And we've got the jets focused more on the lower back area on the bottom line. And then we've placed 4 either side for the customer. And we've got ourselves 2 over here with the suction pump out of the way. So it's a very nice tub. It looks very clean, it looks very good. And the customer will be very happy with what we've got here. We have actually got a heated system, and it seems that we've got ourselves the on-off here. And then we have got ourselves an adjustment element here for the heating, and adjustment area here for the on-off on the velocity of the jets. So that's what we've done for this particular set for the customer. The heat system that we've got here essentially is sucking through the pump on the side, pulling it round into the system, taking temperature checks and running heat through it. And that's how this particular tub has been installed for this particular customer. With any orders on jet systems, use the configurator on the website to have a look around and get an idea on pricing, but all orders get put through myself over the phone, or if you place it on the website, we still do a manual drawing file out afterwards anyway, because as you'll see on the next tub, the Solo Ultra, the Solo Extra. This tub here has again a completely different design pattern, where we haven't put any jets on the side of the tub because the customer didn't want any jets on the side of the tub. So we got ourselves 6 on the back, 2 on the shoulders, 4 on the feet. That's what the customer wanted, with 2 lights, 1 either side, suction pump in the middle. Very clean installed tub. You've got the button for the lights, as you can see right there, works very well. We've got the on-off in the middle, and we've got the airflow adjustment on the right-hand side. Super clean install, really, really nice on that. I really do actually like that. And it works very well, not even having the jets on the side when the customer just wants it super intensive on the back. Notice the customer before wanted the jets at the bottom of the back, this customer wants them at the top of the back. No worries, we'll help you do the design file, we'll draw it out together post-purchase, it's all very good. So a really nice system, and we can turn these around really quickly as well. They're much quicker to turn around than the much bigger systems that we do with customers. This tub is a Solo Ultra. It's a 12 jet Solo Ultra, 12 jet Whirlpool system, not a jet spa system. None of these have been jet spa systems with air jets. These are just the water jets that you can see. 6 jets on the back, 2 on the feet, 2 on the side, suction pump in the middle, on off, airflow adjustment. Very lovely. Very, very, very quick to turn around for the customers. Doesn't need to be 4 to 6 weeks on these kind of install projects for customers. We can do them much quicker. So once the order is placed, we can do a design file together, and we can make sure that we get everything done and sent into production, and then get it turned around and delivered to you. The delivery is done by ourselves over across pretty much the entire area of the UK. We'll work with you on that to make sure it all gets done and delivered at the right points. And any questions you guys ever get, feel free just to reach out. It's not a problem at all, and then we can go on from there. So my name's been Ollie. 01934751200 for any questions you've got. Hit this up on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, live chat, however you want, and we'll be able to draw these out with you post-purchase. We always do it post-purchase because we need to make sure the specs agree before we actually draw anything. But from that point, we can get the delivery sorted. So I hope this has been useful. Any questions in the comments below, reach out and we can go from there. I'll see you later on.